In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a clickable checkbox in PDF with Adobe Acrobat. If you're building a form or simply want an easy way for someone to mark an option, a clickable checkbox is perfect. We'll walk through opening your document, preparing it for form fields, placing the checkbox exactly where you want it, and sharing the file when you're done. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF you want to edit. Head to the upper left, open the main menu, and choose Open. Navigate to the file you need to add a clickable checkbox to, select it, and click Open again. If it's an important document, it's a good idea to work on a copy so your original stays untouched. With your file open, look to the left side Tools panel and find Prepare a Form. This is Acrobat's dedicated workspace for creating interactive fields. Click it, then choose Create Form. Acrobat switches into form editing mode, which lets you add fields that people can interact with. Now, on the left side, select the checkbox tool. Your cursor will change to indicate you're ready to place a field. Move to the area of the document where the checkbox should go, and drag your mouse to draw the box. Release to place it. If it's slightly off, don't worry. You can adjust it by dragging the edges or corners to resize, and click and drag the box to nudge it into perfect alignment. Zooming in can help you match it neatly with nearby text or guides. On the right-hand side, give your checkbox a clear name. This name is for your own organization and for any future edits, so something descriptive like Agree Terms or Option A makes it easier to manage later, especially if you add more fields. When you're satisfied with the placement and name, you're ready to share. On the left-hand side, click Send to distribute the PDF so others can fill it out. This is useful if you want to collect responses or simply make sure the latest version reaches your recipients. At this point, your checkbox is fully clickable. In viewing mode, you'll see it toggle on and off when selected, exactly as you'd expect in a fillable form. That's all it takes. Open your file, prepare the form, create and place the checkbox, adjust and name it, and send it out. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating clean interactive PDFs with confidence.